Why don't senior citizens need bookmarks? Because their bedrail for seniors always folds on the part where they doze off. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bedrail for seniors. Tip 1. Opt for adjustable bedrails. Not all seniors require the same level of assistance. Some may need just a small support, while others might require a full-length bedrail. Adjustable bedrails are the best choice, as they can be lengthened or shortened as per the individual's requirements. They also come with a safety strap that secures the bedrail to the bed frame, providing additional stability. Tip 2. Choose bedrails with safety straps. These are particularly important to prevent the bedrail from dislodging or moving while in use. Safety straps are attached to the bed frame or mattress and can be easily adjusted to ensure a secure fit. It's essential to periodically check the straps to ensure they remain tight and secure. Tip 3. Look for padded bedrails. Bedrails should be comfortable for the senior to hold and use. Padded bedrails not only deliver comfort but also prevent injuries in case the senior bumps into them. Padding can also provide additional warmth during cold weather. Tip 4. Consider the weight capacity. Bedrails should be sturdy enough to support the weight of the senior. Check the weight limit before buying any bedrail to ensure it can safely hold the user. Tip 5. Select the right size. Bedrails come in different sizes based on the bed size and the height of the user. Opt for a taller bedrail if the senior is likely to roll over the top, and choose a smaller one if it's just a support for getting in and out of bed. Tip 6. Choose bedrails with an easy release mechanism. This feature will allow the senior or the caregiver to easily lower or raise the bedrail whenever necessary. This is useful during the day when the bedrail might not be required, or in an emergency situation. Tip 7. Look for bedrails with mesh panels. These panels prevent the senior from getting their limbs stuck between the bars. Mesh panels are also softer, so there's a lesser risk of injury if the senior falls against it. Tip 8. Look for bedrails with storage. Some bedrails come with pockets for storing essential items like medication, spectacles, or a mobile phone. This provides easy access to these items and prevents the senior from getting up and risking a fall. Tip 9. Check for the ease of installation. It's always better to opt for bedrails that require no tools for the installation. This way they can be installed quickly and without any hassle. Tip 10. Look for non-slip grips. These provide extra security and stability to the senior when holding or leaning on the rail. It will prevent their hand from slipping, reducing the risk of falls. Tip 11. Check the material. Bedrails should be made from sturdy and durable material. Most bedrails are made from steel or hard plastic. Opt for metal ones as they are the most sturdy, however, ensure they are coated to prevent rust and chipping.